looking fresh today, man.
That
you knew you were going to be on camera?
Stretch. What's that?
So you knew you were going to be on camera?
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we got Sebastian coming in next. This is, I think, his third or fourth visit. He's doing pretty well at this point. He came in initially with a pretty bad low back flare and some upper neck stuff. And at this point, it's pretty well managed and we're just trying to keep some things moving. He does really well with some consistent, maybe every 2 to 3 weeks adjustments.
Some pretty cool stuff to watch. She's like, well, that and he's super hot.
Your wife said that?
Yeah. I was like, that's the first thing I said to him when I met him. It's like, God damn, you're beautiful, dude.
That's a good first line to break the ice. How long did it take you to grow that beard?
I trim it, but I've had it for like 7 years.
Yeah, but initially, like, there was nothing, and then you just said...
Well, probably 4 months.
That's impressive. So how are things feeling, man?
Good.
You got any specific spots today?
Just the neck bugs me. You know, I haven't been hitting the gym as much, but if I don't warm up and I just go right into lifting, train it.
Okay. But doing quite a bit better since that first time you came in a little bit ago?
It's massive improvement.
Okay. How's the low back?
That's pretty good.
All right.
That was pretty good.
Everything feels pretty good except like that spot right there.
Oh,
a little gnarly there. Let's work on that a little bit.
Yeah, you know, if I'm consistent with like stretching and exercise,
there we go.
Good.
You right?
Yep.
There we go. Okay. Let's have you go face down. Check out the low back. Nothing crazy right here. Just feeling how the spine's moving. Any problems here? A little stiff right there.
Yeah.
And then how about when I pull you back and push down? How's that?
That's okay.
Okay. Okay. You okay if I put a little heat on you down here? So warm that up.
Talk about like lower back shits, carrying freaking kids around for too long.
Dude, I don't know how you guys do it.
I don't either.
They have a 4-year-old girl, right? And then you got a boy and girl twin that are 1.5?
1.5, yeah.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
You can't imagine. Like by the time they grow up, this will just be like a big long blackout for me. So. People will have twins and they'll be like, oh, you know what it's like? And I'll be like, no.
No, I don't. I don't remember. I blacked out.
I just blacked out. You know, you got a kid.
Totally. It is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'm sure when they're a little bit older, it'll be a lot of fun. Family time, you know, wrestling around, playing sports, or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
So.
Like my buddy has 3 girls under 3, and he's just drowning. But he's like, you know what? It is a lot of fun at times. My parents didn't have me until they were 41. It was their second marriage, and my mom didn't think she could have kids, and then all of a sudden, boom, just a beautiful surprise, I guess. My dad was probably like, oh, fuck. My mom was stoked, though.
Yeah, I feel like, my dad passed away, so I've always felt like the sooner you have kids, if you're going to be dumb enough to have kids, the sooner you do it, the longer that they have with you, so. It's one of those things, if you're going to do it, you might as well not wait.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
But that's also my opinion because of, losing my dad.
No, it makes sense. Like my dad's 75 now, and he's in really good health, but there's just certain things you just can't do when you're 75.
Right.
We're not
my dad.
Like his mind wants to go do Mount Whitney and stuff with me, and I'm just like, I don't know if we should be doing that, man. I'm like, he wants to go do it by himself. Low back feels pretty good today, man. What do you feel like your favorite adjustment is?
The neck pull.
The Y strap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chin down for me. And then back up. Chin down. And back up. Just seeing how these segments are moving as he flexes and extends his neck. Go down. And up. Okay. Arms out to the side for me. Chin down. Again. Yep. Go hands on top of mine. Elbows in a little bit. Big breath. And let it go. And then let the shoulders relax. Good. You alright?
Yeah. What happens is where I can feel it in my lower back muscles are helping a lot.
Okay, just a little pull on this hip. Oh. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let that leg go. I'm gonna push up on you just a little bit. Can you clamp down on my arm? Squeeze me. A little bit harder. Breath in. And out. Let this relax.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
But okay. Big breath for me. And out. Let your abs go.
Oh.
Good. And then go on your back. How's the shoulder blade area? Been
Pretty
feeling?
good, yeah.
Pretty good. Do a little sit up with me. Breath in. And out. And squeeze.
Oh.
Good. More. Breath in. And out. Let the shoulders go. Do you use any product in your beard?
Yeah, I use beard oil.
Which one?
Scotch Porter.
Oh.
I use their conditioner too.
Little turn. Is that feeling comfortable there?
No, it's just super hard to relax.
Okay. Are you more comfortable here when I tuck your chin, or when I just kind of let it go like that?
It feels fine.
Feels fine.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. That was a natural reaction.
Crunchy.
Yeah. Yeah, no, since I've been coming in, my neck has been great. Like the first time I came in, it was thrown out, and within a couple days, it was feeling better. That was the best thing when I first came in. It was just a couple days, and I could turn my head again and wasn't in pain.
It is a beautiful thing, especially when you have kids. You can't get on the ground and play with them, right?
Right.
Doing great. Just let that muscle relax.
Oh,
That was fire.
I don't even know what's cracking in there, dude.
You ready for the strap?
Sure.
Is that feeling comfortable on your ears there?
Mm-mm.
No?
No.
Okay. You want to adjust it?
No, it's fine.
Oh, you're good. Okay. You feel like you're able to relax, or I need to
Yeah, I can.
distract you? Tell me when you feel it all the way down to your mid-back.
Oh! Oh my God.
Yeah? How's that? What'd you feel?
Felt my whole friggin' spine stretch out. Down to like my mid-back.
Nice. You look good. You look a little taller. A little more erect.
Yeah.
You're good, dude.